a day to the full. For my next occasion, I plan to the city de Medellin for the month of August and stay 3 days and 2 nights at the Hotel San Ignacio, allocating 160,000 pesos. On September, we plan to visit the Paisa Village and take pictures. Then go to the stone home de Peñol, allocating 100,000 pesos to clean and enjoy the scenery with a cool drink. Finally, it's good to high bar to canoe the smartphone in dance for the hottest day we plan to go to the art museum de Antioquia and Butero Square canoeing a lady culture on the city, touring the city in the metro carriage and go observing from the high the corners of the city and return on my motorcycles. Thank you.